Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the quick look at the latest cumulative update for Windows 10. So versions affected are version 16, 1607, which is anniversary update, 1703, which is the creators update, and 1709, which is the fall creators update. Some of the updates are similar, but basically on every version it's a bug fix for tons of little things. So basically if you're on the fall careers update, you'll see this update appear. We are today March the 22nd. So this one is the update KB 4089848, and if you're on the older versions, you'll have a update for what is KB 4088891. So there's pretty much the same fixes pretty much everywhere. There's some fixes for Windows Ribbon Control. Another one is for BitLocker encryption and decryption that might sometimes corrupt protected files if you're on a encrypted file system. SCSI, iSCSI stuff that's happening. Some support for additional SSD drives. Issues where Japanese keyboard layout may not function. There's also, of course, the occasional encounter of error during file transfers on server. There's the MPIO pass-through for SCSI that doesn't work all the time. Issues where processing group policies may fail and policies may actually be removed as a result of that, especially with the Windows Defender firewall. Windows Server 2016 stuff that fixes it with group policy and everything. Also, you got some web dev files and folders for SharePoint. These are all things that are much more business oriented, less customer oriented or user oriented. The remote desktop license report gets corrupted when it exceeds 4 kilobytes. Issue with Azure point-to-site VPN connections. Rendering of PDF documents sometimes not right on Edge, that has been fixed. Also, media platform stops responding when changing cameras rapidly on a device. Also, there's some media platform that stops responding after media playback files in Edge, Internet Explorer, or Microsoft PowerPoint. Dolby Atmos for headphones as an issue. It's been fixed here. Credentials are asked as an administrator privilege, but even when you're at a regular or first log on at a standard user account, which should not be there. Spell check problems, custom dictionary problems, pen problems of all sorts, touch keyboard problems, also with if you want to fill out forms on the internet, for example. And Bluetooth card readers that don't work after a restart, and also loss of connections on some of the Bluetooth stuff. So that's pretty much where it fixes all the things. So if you've been plagued with one of these issues, maybe updating there is going to actually help you out. If you're on an older version of Windows 10, you will update yourself to 14393.2155 or 15063.994. And of course, if you're on the Windows Fall Creators Update, you'll be updated to this version, which is 16299.334. So no security updates. It's not a rush. If you don't have any issues with your PC, even if you install this in a couple of days or a week or 2 weeks, doesn't really matter. Really just bug fixes. And if you are plagued with some of the issues, check it out. It was released today as part of the cumulative updates for Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.